Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my English learning video. Today I want to practice English speaking standing in front of the camera. This kind of practice is very difficult to speak out alone. That because when you're gonna start speaking English just in front of the camera alone, you might not find any words how to describe as well. So there are some points to speak out alone. So I will just give you some important tips end of my conversation. Anyway, I basically practice English speaking, diving into the native English speaker. But yesterday I started to find the foreigner, but unfortunately I can't really find anyone. That because I started to find the foreigner yesterday from early morning, but I didn't find anyone. I only found one male person, but it lasted for 1 minute. So today I want to break down just about my chicken farm. Earlier of my video, I speak about my chicken farm when my chicken was very small, but it turned to the very older. Now I'm going inside my farm, so let's get in. Look, dear guys, this is our farm place. There are the two farms. One is here and another one is just right beside of this farm. So this is the chicken farm. The another farm is just for duck as well. So you know what, in some point we are very worried when the excessive rainfall, that because this place is quite lower. When the excessive rainfall, this place just filled with water to the brim. You know what, that's why we are very worried that because the irrigation system of the water is very small. Anyway, now I want to go inside of my chicken farm. Now I am just sitting inside of my chicken farm. Look at that, this place is quite damp because of the rain. I need to buy some husk to spatter here so that this floor can get dry. My chicken will feel comfortable to live here. Anyway, so look at that, my chicken here, and they are very healthy. I think there are 5 rooster and most of them are egg chicken. So every day we get eggs, more than 5 or 6 maybe. I'm gonna just feed them all. So let's see how they just eat as well. Look at that, it's very good fun as well when I feed them, because they know me, who is the owner of ours. That's why they don't really Can you see guys? Dear guys, I'm gonna show you a hen, and that's completely unbelievable. You wouldn't believe that. How does it possible? Look at that, this is the mouse tag. Of my chicken. That's completely uncommon. I never see any kinds of when that they have the mouse tag just like a man as well. See, the completely different design. Look at that. So I'm very proud of my chicken as well. Sometimes I come up here, but those farm are executed by my mother. She is very good at to look after them as well. I think that's the way you can practice English speaking. Before speaking alone, just try to select a context, what you're talking about, and just think about 4 questions in your head, like when, where, how, and what, and then describe regarding of this question.